Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and may have revised the previously learned topics. So now, our today's topic is Dokur, a village on the Deccan Plateau. Introduction. Dokur is a typical village located on the Telangana Plateau, part of the wider Deccan Plateau. Telangana Plateau lies between the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats, sloping west to east. Unlike flat deltas like Krishna, this plateau is marked by hills, small ranges, and rocky terrain with thin soil layers. Location. Dokur is in Devrakadra Mandal, 25 kilometers from Mahbubnagar town in Telangana. The village's name originated from Dakur, derived from Daku, meaning duckot, referencing its history. Climate and rainfall. Temperature, summers, Feb-June, reach 40 degrees Celsius, winters, Nov-Jan, 20-30 degrees C. Rainfall, irregular and scanty, June-October, often leading to drought. Impact, low rainfall causes dry crops, water scarcity, and migration. Soils. 1. Red soils, Erra Nellu. Cover 50% of agricultural land. Shallow, sandy, and low in fertility. Fields are left fallow after one crop to regain nutrients. 2. Black soils, Null Nellu. Shallow and moderately suitable for crops. Retain moisture, aiding crop survival. 3. Loamy soils, Chavadu Nellu. Found in patches, support millet crop. Water resources. Tanks and ponds. Pedda Cheruvu, the main tank, fed by Devrakadra tank 5 kilometers away. Smaller tanks form a chain of tanks for rainwater storage and recharge. Decline in tank use has led to borewell dependency. Wells and borewells. Traditional wells, 40 to 60 feet, have dried due to low rainfall and poor recharge. Farmers now dig borewells 200 to 500 feet, though risky and expensive. Crops and agriculture. Main crops, cotton, groundnut, castor, paddy, bajra, pigeon pea, and red gram. Soil usage. Cotton in black soils. Groundnut and castor in red soils. Bajra in loamy soils. Shifts in cultivation. Farmers shift to less water-intensive crops like castor due to declining water availability. Irrigation, dependent on borewells and Pedda Cheruvu. Environmental challenges. Groundwater depletion, excessive borewell usage lowers water levels yearly. Soil fertility decline, reduced use of organic manure, increased reliance on fertilizers. Need for sustainable practices. Balance between forests, agriculture, and pasture is critical. Livelihoods. Agriculture and migration. Farming employs villagers for 6 months annually. During off-seasons, people migrate to cities like Hyderabad, Pune, or Goa. Cattle rearing. Buffaloes provide milk, sold at cooperatives. Sheep rearing is common among smaller landowners. Non-farm activities. Carpentry, blacksmithing, and rice milling are additional sources of income. About 20 families work in government jobs or as taxi drivers. Market and transportation. Market access. Paddy sold in Devrakadra. Cotton marketed in Jadcherla and Madnapuram. Transportation. Buses connect Dokur with Mahbubnagar and Vanpati. Shared autos and local trains are popular for travel. Village settlement. Demographics. Population, 3,400, 2011 census. Landowners, 350 families, which laborers, 220 families. Housing. Old houses used mud walls and clay roofs. Modern houses use steel, brick, and concrete. Infrastructure. Drinking water, overhead tanks provide water every 2 days. Shops, kirana stores, chicken centers, vegetable shops, and pan shops. Electricity, most houses have power connections. An overview. Dokur illustrates life on the Telangana plateau with its unique geography, resource challenges, and diverse livelihoods. While traditional practices like tank irrigation are fading, modern developments and alternate livelihoods are shaping its future. Sustainable land use is vital for its long-term prosperity. Thanks for watching.